Why use Google Calendar to organize your week?
Google Calendar is a powerful, free tool designed to help you manage your time. By organizing your week digitally, you can see your commitments at a glance, set reminders, and avoid double booking. Using Google Calendar effectively means you can dedicate time for work, personal tasks, and rest, making your days less stressful and much more productive.
Start with setting your main priorities.
Before filling in your calendar, identify your top priorities for the week. List your key projects, meetings, and personal goals. Block out time for these important tasks first. Doing this ensures that your biggest responsibilities always have space in your schedule, forming the backbone of an organized week.
Time blocking. Schedule specific activities.
Time blocking is a proven technique to boost productivity. Create calendar events for focused work, meetings, breaks, and personal time. Add start and end times for each block. This helps you stay on track, minimizes distractions, and makes it easier to say no to unexpected requests that conflict with your priorities.
Make use of reminders and notifications.
Google Calendar allows you to set notifications for events or tasks. Use reminders for deadlines, meetings, and even time to start winding down. These notifications can be set minutes, hours, or even days in advance, ensuring you never miss what's important and can always prepare ahead of time.
Review, adjust, and optimize your calendar.
At the end of each week, take a few minutes to review your calendar. Ask yourself what worked well and where your time slipped away. Adjust future weeks based on these insights. Regularly optimizing your schedule helps you build long-lasting, effective routines tailored to your real-life needs.